Now I would like to speak about elif. What does it mean and what is the connection with condition? So we have a simple condition here. This condition has two parts, first part and the second part. We usually call it branch, like first branch and the second branch. So this condition has two branches, but sometimes you need 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 branches and so on and so on. So you can use elif. How does it work? We have a condition. If a student status is equal to yes, we will print out your price is $4. And I can use elif to add another branch. So it means if you see if in the condition, it means there has to be condition after that. So it means condition like this. Something is equal, greater, and so on to something. Okay? So if student status is equal to yes, do something. Elif student status is equal to no, no, so print something like this, okay? And else, so it means that the student status isn't yes and student status isn't no. It means we will print out something like, for example, you entered the wrong information. You need to write yes or no. Okay, so it means that now if the student status is yes, we will print out your price is $4 and the conditions is over. Okay, if the student status will be no, so student status is equal to yes, it isn't. We go here, student status is equal to no, yes it is. We will print out your price is $6 and the condition is over. Okay, so if somebody write here something different, for example, of course, so student status is equal to yes, no, student status is equal to no, no. So the the rest situation is that we print this string. Okay, so we can we can try. So I will run the code. So are you a student? I will write yes, your price is $4. Okay, so student status is yes and we print out your price is $4 and that's it. The condition is over. Okay, now I would like to write no, your price is $6. So it means this condition is false, so we skip it. This condition is true, we print it, and that's all. And if you write something completely different, for example, are you a student? Of course. You entered the wrong information. You need to write yes or no. Okay? So this is elif. And how I said, you can write another elif here and so on and so on. But after elif, there has to be a condition. Okay? After else, there is no condition. Okay? So you have to be aware of it.